Hello.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
I didn't see you before.
Because I just arrived yesterday.
Oh, by the way, my name is Nikita. It's nice to meet you.
My name is Lakshay. I hope you can understand my English because I am still learning.
Yes, I can understand your English. You speak very clearly. What are you doing here?
I am studying my English spoken and I will be here for 3 months.
Oh, that's great. I am also studying English spoken. I am also here for 2-3 months. Do you meet anyone else?
No, I just met my teacher.
Oh, do you want to come with me for a coffee? I am going to meet my friends. You would love to meet them.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you.
Don't mention it. Where do you come from?
I am from Thailand. I think it is very cold in the UK.
Yeah, it is colder. It gets warmer in the summers. We have to go and meet my friends.
Okay, let's go.
Hi friends. He is Lakshay. He is a new student that just joined us. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Shivansh.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Pranjal. Tell us all about you.
It's nice to meet you. My name is Lakshay. I am from Thailand and I arrived yesterday.
Are you homesick?
A little. I miss my family.
Do you come from a big family?
Oh, quite big. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister and I am the oldest one.
It is difficult to go far away from the family.
Yes, but I always wanted to travel and meet people from other countries.
Do you like here?
Yes, I am very excited to be here. Where do you come from?
I come from York.
It was nice meeting to you. Now I have to go to my class. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Have a nice day, all of you.
Bye.